Understanding, I'm paying the price, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, I'm paying the price. This expression is widely used in both formal and informal settings, but what does it actually mean? Stick around as we explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you master it in no time. When someone says, I'm paying the price, they're not always talking about shopping or financial transactions. In fact, this phrase is a metaphorical way of expressing that they are experiencing the negative consequences or repercussions of their actions or decisions. It implies a sense of responsibility or acceptance of the outcomes that have come from a choice they've made. Understanding when and how to use this phrase is crucial. I'm paying the price can be used in various contexts, from personal experiences to professional situations. It's often used to express regret or acknowledgement of a mistake. For example, if someone stayed up too late watching movies and is now tired, they might say, I'm paying the price for staying up too late. To help you better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. After a heavy workout, I'm really feeling it today. I'm paying the price for pushing myself too hard at the gym yesterday. Following a poor decision, I skipped studying for my exam to go out with friends, and now, I'm paying the price. In a professional setting, we cut corners on the project to meet the deadline, and now, we're paying the price with all these client complaints. There are several similar expressions in English that convey the idea of facing consequences. Phrases like, facing the music, or reaping what you sow, share similar meanings and can be used in similar contexts. Understanding these can enrich your English vocabulary and help you express nuanced ideas about responsibility and consequences. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, I'm paying the price. We hope this video has illuminated not just the meaning but also how you can use this expression in various contexts. Remember, language learning is all about understanding the nuances of phrases and how they reflect different aspects of culture and communication. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use I'm paying the price in your conversations to express the idea of facing consequences for your actions. See you in the next video.